channel, or if you're new here, my name's Lauren, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my everyday makeup. So we're just going to get right into it. I'm going to start off by using this Tarte Base Tape primer. I've never used it before. This is my first time using it. I just got it in my Ipsy bag this month. So I'm going to see how this is. It's really liquidy. A little bit is going a long way. I'm sorry about my hands. I know they look really colorful. It's from Dine Easter Eggs, and the color hasn't all come off yet. So yeah, I'm going to use my BB cream. This is what I use. I'm in the shade 120 and 130. I mix these together to get my shade. I just dot the 120 on my face first. And then I go in with the 130 right on top. During the summer, when I get a little bit tanner, I'll be able to just use the 130. Can't wait for that. I'm ready to be super tan. And then I'm going to use this Tarte foundation brush just to blend that all in. These just give like a pretty light coverage. I don't go for a full coverage on an everyday basis. Okay, now for concealer. I'm going in with the Maybelline Adri Wine concealers, and I'm using the shades Medium and Neutralizer. Medium is kind of like the shade of my skin, so I go over with that first. And this is what I put on my eyelids as a base for my eyeshadow. And then I'm going over it with Neutralizer, which is like a brightening shade. And then lately I've just been using my finger to blend that in, and it's been working pretty well for me. And I know you probably think it's weird that I'm not doing my brows, but I'm just not really a brow person, so. And for powder, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just going to use this fluffy brush from Sigma or Sephora. And just pack that all over. I always go over my eyes first and my under eyes first. I don't like bake or anything. I just put it on regular. Okay, so that's done. Then sometimes I use bronzer, sometimes I don't. We can use some today just so you can see what I do when I do use it. I'm going to go in with this little mini Hoola bronzer and just this sort of fluffy brush, and go into that, tap off the excess. Just to bring some warmth to the face. Alright, blush. I'm going to use this Tarte blush in the shade Feisty. It's like a nice peachy pink shade. I'm going to go in with this big fluffy blush brush. And I always just do a little bit. gonna do highlighter last. So we're gonna go ahead and do eyes. For everyday, I don't usually do much. I go in with this palette from Too Faced, and then I just take this chocolate Soleil color. It's the bronzer in the palette, but I think it works really nice as like an eyeshadow color. And I just use this little fluffy brush. It's Airbrush Crease Brush from Sephora. I just dip it in that and then tap off the excess just to give a little dimension to my eye. I'm putting this right in the crease. And then sometimes I'll go in a little bit more and put some just on the outer part of my eye. Okay, and then sometimes if I want a little bit of shimmer, sometimes I just leave it like this, but if I want a little bit of shimmer, I will go in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and just take this shade Luscious right here. It's just a shimmery brown color. I mean, you could use any shimmery color. And I just take it on my finger and just put that like all over my lid. Bring it into the inner corner a little bit. I'm not too precise when I'm doing this. Okay, and that just brightens up the eyes a little bit. And then mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, just this right here. And I go kind of heavy on the mascara because I don't ever use false lashes. So this is just what I do all the time. I just use this and it works really good. And it like stays on really good too. Like I've cried in this and it stays on pretty good. And it's not waterproof or anything, but it looks really good. It's probably my favorite right now. Now for highlighter. Usually my highlighter just depends on what I'm feeling that day. I have like lots of different like colors, but usually for every day, I go in with this Ofra Bliss. It's a eyeshadow and highlighter. I usually just use it for highlighter, and I'm taking it on this highlighter brush right here and just dipping in that and putting it all over my cheekbones and on my forehead. Sometimes I'll take a little bit of this on my finger and just pop that in the inner corner just to brighten up my eyes. And lastly, sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. I will take my MAC Fix Plus and just spray it all over my face to get more of a glowy look. If glowy is what I'm going for, then that's what I use. But this is the final look, nothing too special. And you could always add like a lip over it or anything. I don't usually wear lipsticks or anything every day, but I think this would look really pretty with like just a lip gloss. But that's just not usually what I do. I'd like to wear more, but it is what it is. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.